What's up, guys? Welcome to RDDC, Diecast Collectibles, man. And today we're going to review the Euro Speed set that just came out. So it's got 5 cars in it, premium set. So let's take a better look. All right, guys, first one in the hot seat. It's a Bugatti Bolide. It's number 1 of 5. It's blue and black. Let's take a look at it, man. So there it is, man. It's a nice metallic blue, actually. It's got like rotor-blade wheels. Black siding, teardrop design right here. Bugatti front, as always. And the rear looks cool with the taillights right there, kind of like an X pattern here. But yeah, this week's iteration of a Bugatti, because they're making a new design every week. So, but this is the Bolide. It's number 1 of 5. All right, number 2 on the list, the Aston Martin Vantage GTE, the Grand Touring Endurance car. So there we go. It's in a really nice metallic gray there with fluorescent stripes on it. Remember the old Astons had the fluorescent kind of mouth to the grille here. So 5-star wheels, black. Overall, very beautiful car. There we go. The Aston Martin Vantage GTE. All right. Number 3 of 5, Ferrari. LaFerrari. So there it is, man. This is all retooled and everything else. So there we go. Teardrop design on that one, too. All hypercars have that. Oh. All right. We've seen this before. Like I said, this is a remake of the old casting. I have to do a side-by-side comparison. I have to do that in another video. What the old one looks like to the new one. But it still looks great. 5-star wheels, Ferrari red, black top. Number 3 of 5. All right, 4 of 5 is the McLaren Solus GT. So it's another hypercar from McLaren. And here we go right here. They're dressed up in McLaren orange. And also a long teardrop design in this one right here. Mold everything else around it. 10 blade wheels there. Cool. McLaren orange. You can see even McLaren accents everywhere on the car right here for the logo. Right here, because there's McLaren logo right there. Even quasi right there. So pretty cool. McLaren Solus GT, number 4 of 5. All right, number 5 of 5 is going to be the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. Here we go, man. It is dressed in a beautiful, I like to call it British racing green. Looks like it belongs on the old Jaguars or even Aston Martin green. It looks like a Ferrari because it does have the designer of some of the Ferraris, Pininfarina. Even a line right here now that you have the aggressive Ferrari line now on the new 847 or 849 Testarossa, I can't remember. Oh, yep, there you go. Classic teardrop design right there. 5-star wheels. Looks great, man. I don't know, man. Color sets it off, I think. So, but there we go. The Automobili Pininfarina Battista, number 5 of 5. All right, guys, there we go, man. That's our review of the Hot Wheels Euro Speed for 2025. So let me know if you think this is a hit or miss set or not. What's your favorite car in the set? Leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, guys. And hit that follow button, man. And I'll till next time.